फ्रॉम गांधी चौक टू बोडगेश्वर शिम हे काम 1 वर्स पयलीं चालू केल्लें आमी, बट काही लँड एक्विजिशनाचे इश्यूजाक लागून हें काम उरलेलें. वी कॅन सी दॅट paving of extended part of the road is started today. आज नाल्यार फाल्यां मेरेन सोंपयतले. This is only the base layer of asphalt that is being laid. हेजे उपरांत आमकां खबर आसा एज व्हेकल्स मूव हे लेवल सगळे आसा ते आमकां कळपाक येतले. सो द करेक्शन वील टेक प्लेस पोस्ट मॉन्सून. Subsequently there will be a divider along with street lights that will come here, and finally in October also we will have the final coat of hot mixing after correction of profile correction that the monsoon will allow us to see. खंय उदीक साडटा, खंय it is a शेतान extension asa there, so there will be a lot of settlements in this area. With vehicular movement during the monsoon, we will get to know about which places require more correction, which places are okay. But पावसा पयलीं हे काम हो रस्तो ओपन जावंक जाय म्हणून हे काम आयज सुरू जालें.
हे काम नेमकें कित्याक बंद उरलें? ब्लेम जातालो की म्हापसाचो आमदार हांगा हो रस्तो करिना म्हणून. एक्झॅक्ट कित्याक म्हणून
हे कोण एकटो मनीस कोण आसलो पळय हांगा लँड ओनर, तो हायकोर्टान गेलो, त्या कारणाक काम उरलेलें. आतां हायकोर्ट म्हाज्या हातीन कांय ना, नॉर कॅन आय give or inform anybody to give a faster judgment as per process or court proceedings प्रमाणे कितें लँड एक्विजिशनाचो कितें विशय आसलो विथ रिगार्ड्स टू द पेमेंट कंपोनंट, कितलो रेट कितें थारोवपाचो, कसो थारोवपाचो, कितलो अमावंट दिवपाचो, त्या कारणाक खंय तरी उरलें.
So one more question. Now the road is hot mix. Is there any provision made for the water to go into the drain?
Yes, there will be side drains that are already constructed. You can have a look. Once they get the level, they will create the drains so that the drains are functional. सद्याक जे आसा पळय till they get the final level of the road, because पळोवपाक गेल्यार मदीं मातसो उंच आसा, सायडीक सकयल आसलो. So let them get the profile right, and then they will make provisions for the drainage. There is drainage on both sides that will be discharged in one of two nallas over there. One on the northern side, one on the southern side.
Is there any other road now going to be hot?
See, right now these were a few roads that are the priority. We can see that there is a little bit of overcast today, a little drizzle, but I hope that we can manage as much as possible. I would not want to do the work in the rains, but कितें आसा थोड्या जाग्यांनी the situation is really bad, so we want to ease the situation as soon as possible. खूप जाणांनी म्हाका विचारलें, why didn't you start earlier? If the base work is not completed, I cannot complete the work, nor am I in a situation to pressurize any contractor to complete the work. कितें आसा हें काम युटिलिटीचें काम जावन आसलें. We have sewage connections in Mapsa, Angod, and we have water supply connection. Till they don't give me the final green signal, we will have leakages again. परत थंय कोणचें पडटलें. We can see that situation in Marna area, where WRD and PWD has dug the roads again after hot mixing. तशें जावंक उपकारना. That is my belief. We don't want to waste government funds and materials over and over again. We have waited the last 6-7 months for this work to get completed. आमकांय खबर आसा लोकांनी भरपूर त्रास काडलेले आसा. So wherever we can complete base work, most of the roads have both base layer as well as top coat. So wherever we can do only base layer, we will do only base layer. But I want to assure the people of Mapsa that we will have basic motorable roads before the monsoon.
सर खूप मध्ये खणटात, ताका लागून कितकें गंभीर आसा, खंय तरी एक्शन जातली नेमकी.
But कितें आसा, there is lot of unauthorized cutting. But कितें आसा, रातचें जाता, कोणाच्या नजरेन येना. सकाळी येता म्हटल्यार you can see the road dug, you can see the pipeline laid, and you can see it covered also. So we don't get to know who. A lot of people now, 15th of May onwards, there is a ban on digging off road. पावसाक. That ban is lifted only in the month of October or November, somewhere at the end of October if I'm not mistaken. रवींद्र भवन काल